Alright, you guys, so welcome back. Be smart, don't struggle. So these here, you bolt these up onto the door, and then your speaker goes on top of it. It's pretty simple. These are the speakers I went with. Rockford 5-skate. Nothing fancy, but they're gonna sound good. There's that. This is the head unit. This is it right here. So if y'all want it, that's it. So that's that. This is what the harness you need to install this onto the factory harness on the car. And just a basic installation kit. And a little basic amp. We didn't get anything fancy, just one of these cheaper versions because we're not trying to get nothing crazy loud. Just enough to get some bass and some sheet metal that I need to make the frame for the stereo since the car didn't come with it. And I'm gonna use these little cutter wheels to cut it all out. So that's all we need. And then of course the subwoofer. It's in my other car and I gotta make a box for that, so I'm gonna get started with this first. This may not apply to a lot of you because I mean this is gonna be pretty rare when your car doesn't come with the little plates that you bolt up here. So it's these little plates that you bolt on here, and then this is what allows you to bolt it onto the actual car. So like I said, it's $150 plus 25 shipping, and I don't want to pay that much. So $10 sheet of paper, you have that at your house. Make a little plate here and make sure you line it up to the proper bolting holes. Those are the 4 holes that I have to mount up to, and this part here is going to fold this way, which I'll use my little vise there to fold it. You cut out the flaps to where you're going to bolt it onto the car. This here is another flap that you're going to fold down and then up to hold on to the AC box that you bolt, and you drill another hole there and you just bolt that up too. So you transfer it over here to some sheet metal, make your little outline here, and cut it out. So then once you cut it out, you'll bolt it on here and make your little flaps, go to the car, measure it, make sure you have it to a right size, and then you drill your holes through the sheet metal. I'll do a time lapse of all that so y'all can see it, but it's not hard. It looks challenging, but it's not. All right, so after a little bit of cutting, folding, drilling, there you go. That's how you save $75. Now to save another $75 on the other side. See, I'll put you guys on a time lapse so I can do the other side, and that'll be it. And that's how you save $150 plus shipping. This is the other side. All I gotta go is just go to the car and line up the mounting holes, drill them through. Yep. That's pretty much it. That's that side. And the other side. I went ahead and cut this one at an angle too. See the way this one is at an angle too. So that's it. Now I'm gonna go charge my GoPro, and meanwhile I'm gonna go line up these holes here. All right, so I got a little bit carried away waiting for my GoPro to charge. So there it is. It's in there already. What I ended up having to do was, you know, the little flaps that I folded out to bolt it up, I had to shave those down a little bit. This one had to be like at an angle, but overall it's on there. It looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but I mean, you probably won't even notice. Actually, it looks pretty good now that I look at it. But yeah, there it is. I actually went ahead and ran the microphone here for whenever you take calls. The wire goes through here and through the cluster and out through the back. I put the USB plug over here. I already did run the remote and RCAs over here, so I can do this subwoofer here well, not today because it's getting dark, it's getting late, but I will tomorrow. And I put in the rear speakers already. That one's in, this one's in. And actually I wanted to show you guys these. This is how these little templates go on here. You just remove these original boxes, you remove those, and you bolt these new ones in, and then of course the speaker would go right in here. So let me go ahead and put the speakers in because I'm running out of daylight. It's already got maybe about 20-25 minutes left, and I gotta finish this up, so be right back. Alright guys, so it took longer than expected, but there it is. Back covers are on as well. Need card mats to cover that. What a change, huh? You remember what it used to look like when I first bought the car? Oh, and on the rear, man, I didn't finish the little layout thing that I wanted to do. I'm getting really tired. Plus I want to go spend some time with my baby, so I'll do that another day. But there's a old subwoofer I had. I mean, I ain't trying to do no competition, so it'll do. It's loud, but it's not like crazy loud. So I don't really know how to lay this out, so I think I'm just gonna leave this speaker here, and I'm just gonna make like a little template, just like some thin wood, just to cover all this up, and then like a little enclosure here for the battery, so that way you can put stuff on around here, around the speaker. But that's pretty much it. So the only thing I'm gonna do is just wrap this in that cloth, that speaker cloth thing. Once I finish the template, just wrap that up. It's not gonna be anything special, you guys. Just a flat piece of wood with a cloth covering it, and it's gonna be pretty much it. But I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good. iPhone connected, and we'll step out of the car. So that's 4-door speakers and the subwoofer. not sure if y'all can get the bass on the video, but it's pretty loud. Really loud in here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna turn the camera on so you can see me. I have really bad allergies. I think my wife told me it's chronic allergies or something like that. I come out here and they'll hit me for days. But that's gonna be pretty much it on the interior. I'll show you guys the trunk once it's done, but it's really no big deal. Like I said, it's just flat. I mean, it's no big deal. But that's pretty much on the interior. I know it's been quite a bit of videos, but she's all done. Now it's time to work on the motor, exhaust, exterior, everything else to finish up the car. But I appreciate you guys watching, and catch you on the next one. Okay, later.